Application of concepts. In an atom, the number of electrons in M shell is equal to the number of electrons in K and L shell. Answer the following questions. A. Which is the outermost shell? B. How many electrons are there in its outermost shell? C. What is the atomic number of elements? D. Write the electronic configuration of the element. An atom consists of central positive part nucleus surrounded by electron shells. According to 2n² formula, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in first shell is 2. These 2 electrons are filled in 1s2 orbital. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in second shell is 8. Out of these 8 electrons, the first 2 electrons get filled in the 2s orbital and the remaining 6 electrons get filled in 2p orbitals. From the given information, number of electrons in M shell is equal to number of electrons in L shell plus number of electrons in K shell, that is 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10. So, the number of electrons in M shell is 10, which are filled in 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 orbitals. A. N shell is the outermost shell. B. The number of electrons in outermost shell is 2. C. Since first shell contains 2, second shell 8, third shell 10 and fourth shell 2, so the total number of electrons is equal to 2 plus 8 plus 10 plus 2, which is equal to 22, which is equal to the atomic number of titanium. D. The electronic configuration of the element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2.